Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Pemko number P2BL. This is a piece of replacement pile weather stripping. This happens to be an 80-inch length. Doesn't matter what the length is, just happens to just be that sort of length. Client obviously has a door that's 6'8" or thereabouts. And we're dealing with a rigid backer and then pile. BL stands for black. The P2, that's likely available in gray as well. P2GR? Indeed. P2GR, that would be gray. P2BL, that's going to be, of course, the black color. Black is used when you have, well, you can use it anytime you want, but in general, as a rule of thumb, you'll have gray when you order mill aluminum finish. You'll have black if you do a gold or a dark bronze type of finish. Satin nickel, probably gray finish. But if you're ordering replacements, you can have any color you like. That's how that runs, however. This material is going to be used as a replacement for insert material for their weather stripping products that they do not list what that is available for. Let's try to do a little bit better than just state that they do not list it. We're going to pull up the book and find the instances where the P2 falls in, and then we're going to go over some dimensional properties of what this pile weather stripping is all about. Okay. P2. I'm doing a find function on my keyboard in the full product catalog to locate those instances where the material shows up. It's going to be several and many. You're going to see the P2 material installed in thresholds, a latch track or a bump up style threshold. There are several instances of them falling in that area. Also as a stop strip that would be applied to a saddle threshold. And that is apparently the only place that material, well, nope, start over. You'll see it used in top cap weather stripping products. You'll see it used in astragals, in meeting style material. Perimeter gasketing, you'll find it in as well. I'm going to instruct someone to update the extended description to include all of the part numbers that the P2 comes out of, so that by the time you see this video, it will be listed there. Let me give you the important dimensional properties of this. There are probably every bit of 15 part numbers. The overall width of the rigid backer, they say it's 3/16. My caliper is telling me it's, I think they said it's 3/16. My caliper is telling me that the width of it is 0.262 inch. 0.262 inch. Oh, 3/16 is the pile. The width of the backer, 0.262. The thickness of the backer, 0.035. 0.035. The projection, including the rigid backer, is going to be roughly 0.285 inch. So, you know, it's going to be greater than 3/16. There's just no doubt about that. And it's going to be closer to 1/4 inch when you measure it from the top of the rigid backer to the outside projection of the pile. Nice, dense piece of material from Pemko. And they do a great job when it comes to replacement material. You know, being able to purchase replacement insert, because pile, neoprene, silicone, polyurethane, vinyl most especially, will certainly fatigue with time. And if you are able to retain the part number of the weather stripping that you bought for future reference, you ought to be able to go back to the Pemko catalog and search for that part number and then get the part number for the replacement weather stripping. Because this material is just something that's likely from the factory on a roll, you can order any length you want. If you want a 100-foot roll, we don't list 100-foot lengths in the site, but we do list 5-foot lengths. So order 20 of those because the material is sold per foot, and simply indicate in the comment field, ship this as a continuous roll at, 100 foot. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page within our site where you will be able to see not only all the Pemko products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Pemko P2 replacement pile or any other Pemko product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.